Hey! In front of me is HUAWEI MatePad Pro 12.6 and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize the of your keyboard on this HUAWEI. First of all, just go into settings. Now to change your device's keyboard, you need to scroll all the way down and tap on System and Updates. Then select Languages and Input and tap on Seal your keyboard. From here, you need to tap on Theme and select the best one for you by clicking on it. I will go with this one. Now tap on Home button and when I go back, as you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. But if you wish to try something more interesting, you can always go into App Gallery and download Microsoft SwiftKey keyboard. When it's ready, open it. Now you need to choose Enable SwiftKey and click on this gray sweater next to it. After that, choose OK in this pop-up and tap on Select SwiftKey. Now you need to click on Microsoft SwiftKey over here in Input Method section. And finally, click on Home button. Now go into Devices Settings, tap on System and Updates again, choose Language and Input, but this time click on Microsoft Keyboard. Now choose Finish App and log in into one of your accounts or choose Not Now. Over here, click on one of those options, I will go with No, and finally select OK. Now you need to select Themes section. Then you can click on yours over here, click on one of those keyboards to set up the best one for you, or customize it by choosing Customized section over here. Now, in order to continue, you need to select Start and tap on Add Image. Then click on Allow in this pop-up. Now you need to click on the photo that you wish to apply, in my case this one. Following that, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. When you're ready, you can adjust background darkness over here and save your keyboard by choosing Done at the top right corner. Now you can manage key borders and symbols by tapping on those two sweaters and finally choose Save over here. Now when I go back, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!